In this video, I'm gonna give you the 2-minute guide to hiring an exceptional sales team because we need to grow our business, right? And by the way, if you like growing your business and you like videos like this, just hit subscribe. First things first is when you think about hiring salespeople, they're very different people. What I like to do, I got this from when I used to read, I think The Ultimate Sales Machine by the late Chet Holmes. Read that book. Second thing I recommend reading is the Sales Acceleration Formula, which is by Mark Roberge from HubSpot. Helped them go from 0 to 100 million. You gotta ask them to sell you when you're interviewing with them, right? So when you're talking with them, ask them to sell you. The number one thing I'm looking for when I'm talking to salespeople is how coachable they are. Because they're coming into your system, they need to know how your system works, but they need to be able to listen. They need to be coachable. If you ask them to sell, you coach them and they listen, great, on to the next step. If they cannot sell, or if they can't change based on kind of the feedback that you've given, probably not the right fit. What I also recommend is Objective Management Group. This sales assessment has been a game changer for us. You can pay them a certain amount of money. I think we paid $2,500 for a certain amount. And then they tailor the test based on kind of what you're looking for. So we're looking for consultative salespeople and they're scored a certain way. And it's been accurate every single time for us. Now, the final thing I'll say for this 2-minute guide is, would you admire this person? Would you work for this person? I think that's really important because we're looking to hire leaders. We're looking to hire smart people on our team. And that's basically the 2-minute guide. So if you like videos like this, you want to grow your sales team, you want to grow your business, just hit subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.